Hey there, fellow travelers. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most stunning and diverse countries on the planet, South Africa. This is your ultimate South Africa travel guide, so stick around because you don't want to miss out on these must-see tourist destinations and top travel tips. But first, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow, and you'll get all the best travel tips and guides right in your feed. All right, let's start our journey in Cape Town, also known as the Mother City. This place is a must-visit. First up, you can't go to Cape Town without taking a cable car ride up Table Mountain. The views are simply breathtaking. Pro tip: get there early in the morning to avoid the lines and catch the sunrise. Trust me, you won't regret it. Next, head down to the Cape of Good Hope. It's the southwesternmost point of Africa, and the rugged coastline is something out of a movie. While you're down there, swing by Boulders Beach to see the adorable colony of African penguins. Yes, penguins in Africa. How cool is that? And when you're ready to relax, head over to the V and a waterfront. You can shop, eat, and even hop on a sunset cruise. It's the perfect way to end a day of exploring. But wait, don't leave Cape Town without visiting Robben Island. This historic island is where Nelson Mandela was imprisoned for 18 years. A guided tour here is a powerful experience, offering deep insights into South Africa's struggle for freedom. Make sure to book your tour in advance, as it's a popular spot. Next stop, just a short drive from Cape Town, are the famous winelands. If you're a wine lover, this is paradise. Stellenbosch, Franschhoek, and Paarl are the top spots for wine tasting. Each one offers stunning views, incredible wines, and delicious food. Franschhoek is known for its French influence, so be sure to try some gourmet cheeses and chocolates along with your wine. And hey, if you're not a big wine person, don't worry. These areas are just beautiful to explore, with their rolling hills and charming little towns. Speaking of charming towns, don't forget to explore the lesser-known gems like Tulbagh and Wellington. These spots are quieter, but offer some of the best boutique wineries and homely guest houses. A perfect way to experience the warmth of South African hospitality. Now let's hit the road. And the Garden Route is one of the most scenic drives in the world, stretching from Mossel Bay to Storms River. First stop, Knysna. This charming town is famous for its oysters and the beautiful Knysna Heads, where the lagoon meets the sea. Take a boat trip for the best views, then head to Tsitsikamma National Park. It's a nature lover's dream with hiking trails, waterfalls, and the iconic Storms River Suspension Bridge. Perfect for those Instagram shots. And if you're an adrenaline junkie, don't miss the Blue Crans Bridge for the world's highest commercial bungee jump. Go on, you know you want to. For those looking to relax, try the beaches along the garden route, like Plettenberg Bay. It's perfect for a beach day with options for whale watching, kayaking, or just soaking up the sun. Be sure to visit Wilderness, a quaint coastal town with beautiful lagoons and serene landscapes. All right, it's time to get wild. You can't visit South Africa without going on a safari, and Kruger National Park is the place to be. It's one of the largest game reserves in Africa and home to the famous Big Five: lions, leopards, elephants, rhinos, and buffalo. Pro tip: book an early morning or late afternoon game drive. That's when the animals are most active. And don't forget your camera. You're going to want to capture these moments. If you can, stay at one of the park's lodges or campsites for a truly immersive experience. There's nothing like falling asleep to the sounds of the African bush. If you're looking for a more exclusive experience, consider visiting some of the private game reserves adjacent to Kruger, like Sabi Sands or Timbavati. These areas offer more intimate encounters with wildlife and luxurious accommodations. You might even get the chance to spot elusive creatures like leopards, which are more commonly seen here. From the wild bush to the bustling city, next up is Johannesburg, or Joburg as the locals call it. This is South Africa's largest city, and it's got a vibrant energy you won't find anywhere else. Check out the Mabaneng precinct, a trendy neighborhood with art galleries, cool cafes, and local markets. It's the perfect spot to soak up some local culture. For a deeper understanding of South Africa's history, visit the Apartheid Museum. It's a powerful experience that will give you insight into the country's past struggles and triumphs. Also, don't miss out on Soweto. This township is famous for its role in the fight against apartheid, and you can visit the former home of Nelson Mandela. Don't forget to check out the Cradle of Humankind, a UNESCO World Heritage Site just outside Johannesburg. This area is home to some of the world's oldest hominid fossils and offers fascinating tours of its caves and museums. It's a must for history buffs and anyone curious about our ancient past. Next, we're heading to the east coast to Durban. Known for its beautiful beaches and warm Indian Ocean waters, it's a perfect spot for some sun, surf, and sand. Make sure to stroll along the Golden Mile, a stretch of beachfront that's lined with restaurants, shops, and markets. And if you're into surfing, Durban's waves are some of the best in the world. Durban also has a large Indian community, so you've got to try the local Indian cuisine. Grab a bunny chow, a hollowed-out loaf of bread filled with curry. It's a local favorite. And if you're looking for a bit of adventure, take a day trip to the Drakensberg Mountains. These majestic mountains offer incredible hiking trails, ancient rock art, and stunning views. It's a different side of South Africa that's equally as captivating. Before you go, let's talk safety and tips. South Africa is a beautiful country, but like anywhere, it's important to stay alert and be aware of your surroundings. Keep your valuables secure and avoid displaying expensive items in public. When exploring the cities, stick to well-known areas and don't walk around alone at night. For getting around, Uber is available in most cities and is a safe, reliable option. If you're driving, keep your doors locked and don't leave valuables in plain sight. And most importantly, be friendly. South Africans are known for their hospitality, and you'll find that most people are happy to help. And there you have it, the ultimate South Africa travel guide. Whether you're a nature lover, a foodie, or a history buff, there's something here for everyone. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an adventure. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Safe travels.